There's like 2 mama does and 1 baby up here at the feeder this morning. I would think that there's some more babies somewhere out there. They just haven't come up, but there's the 2 mama does and the 1 baby. Looks like the does look good and healthy. And they've been doing a good job taking care of all the babies too. That's the baby. The other mama, I don't know which one. I think that's the baby's mama. There it is up. Yeah, if y'all liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Like I say, these deer ain't but about, that doe, she ain't but about 12 yards from the back door that I'm standing at. Shows you how comfortable they feel around here. And one last quick shot of the baby.